Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Virtual Foundry podcast. This is volume 2, episode 13. Today is Tuesday, September 7th, 2021. It is 5:02 p.m. and a very lovely 76 degrees Fahrenheit today. That's 24 degrees for you Celsius users. So just a lovely, cool summer day as we begin to head into fall here. Now, we need to talk about some important temperature business. So even before I introduced Kerry to you formally, I will bring him on to talk about the time and temperature where he is right now. Kerry, tell us your current situation.
Hey, Tricia. And hi, everybody. It's a beautiful sunny morning here in Australia. It's Wednesday the 8th, and the temperature is approximately 7 degrees Celsius, about 45 degrees Fahrenheit, I believe. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful morning by the looks.
Excellent. Thank you, Kerry. One of my favorite parts of my work is talking to people from all over the world, and you are certainly no exception.
Thank you.
a formal introduction. Today, we're going to be talking about Kerry. He is our printing and sintering services provider partner in Australia. Kerry is at 3D-Easy in Australia. Say hello, Kerry.
Hey, everybody. Welcome to Australia.
Now, here at the Virtual Foundry, we're pretty focused on filament manufacturing. That's where we put all of our development energy and our R&D work in really making those filament materials better over time and expanding our catalog. So we really don't provide any print or sintering services, and we're especially thankful for our partners who do. So Kerry, tell us how you got started in 3D printing in the first place.
Yeah, so my journey into 3D printing started approximately 10 years ago. I bought one of the early 3D printers that were available on the market. So that was a PrinterBot Plus at the time. I gradually cut my teeth on printing ABS and learning how 3D printers work, and was just fascinated with the technology and the way it worked, and slowly started to offer the service of printing for various customers. Got involved in printing stuff for cosplay and various mechanical and motor vehicles and all sorts of odd and sods that came through, and yeah, slowly grew the business and now a broader 3D printing service.
Oh, great. Well, what made you want to start with filament, metal, glass, and ceramic filaments?
Yeah, so we've been printing plastics. We'll print everything in the standard sort of PLAs and ABS and DTGs, but occasionally plastic just won't cut the job, and it's important to be able to offer that additional metal material. I've been fascinated with the technology, been watching the space with metal for a very long time, and dreaming of being able to get into offering a metal to our customers, and then saw the filament option come up. Scrolling through Facebook one day and saw one of Brad's posts, and yeah, circled back and just thought, oh, this is an amazing way of offering metal. Price, the open source nature of filament, the fact that anyone can get into it. You don't have to buy a bespoke piece of printing material, printing equipment, or kiln or anything else. Just opens the world to a lot of our customers. Makes it so much easier to get into metal.
So speaking of that kiln, you have a Sapphire 3D kiln there on site. Tell us, Kerry, what services you do offer to your customers.
Yeah, so we bought the large kiln from Sapphire 3D. Amazing piece of equipment. So we offer the whole range of services. So we'll help from design, print, sintering. We also offer servicing of printers. We also offer training. So any one of those, if people want just a printing service, we'll happily print. If they want just sintering, we'll happily do that as well. So we'll do anything. If it's in the 3D printing space, we'll have a go.
Well, awesome. So you've really got a wide variety of ways that you can help people. So you can help them design their print. You can print that for them. You also would receive a printed part from someone and just provide sintering services as well, right?
Happily, if anyone's out there trying the material, the filament material, and want to get it taken to that next stage from a green part to a fully sintered part, we'll happily do that for them as well. We'll ship anywhere in the world, so we'll help anybody anywhere. So we've printed and shipped parts to a wide range of international clients as well as those in Australia.
Well, great. Thank you. Yes, it really is a global business. Tell me, what's the process like if someone wants a part sintered or printed by you? What should they do?
If anyone wants to reach out, we have a website, so it's 3D-Easy-printing, a bit of a mouthful.com, or either that or email me on 3deasy.au@gmail.com, and we'll happily take it from there and help you navigate the choices and the options that are available to get your part from concept to reality.
Okay, super. You've given us a website and an email address to contact you. So I will put those resources in the description of this video so people can find that pretty easily. Now, what kinds of parts and what kinds of materials are you working with?
So in the filament range, the Virtual Foundry, we offer, currently we have the bronze, the copper, the stainless steel. We also have some of the ceramic material. We have the new Pyrex glass material as well. But if a customer is interested in any of the other materials that Filament, that Virtual Foundry offer, then we'll happily source and provide that as well. So we're happy to look at any of the materials that are available. And obviously we also do everything in the plastic range, nylons, carbon fiber nylons, PLA, all the basics, as well as the Virtual Foundry offering.
Great. So a really nice variety of material options for your customers there. Tell me, what's been your favorite project to work on so far?
Oh, my favorite ones are the ones where people have only come up with an idea, don't really know anything about printing, have a brilliant concept in their mind they want to take to the next level and come to us, and we work through with them. We've done everything with mechanical solutions. At the moment, we're helping some reinforcing companies sort of come up with new and interesting designs that they want to work with. So yeah, it's some of the cosplay stuff that people are doing is quite amazing as well, that you get to see. And at the moment, cookie cutters are big in Australia. Cookie cutters and polymer clays seem to be the thing to have at the moment. So that's where we're at.
Cookie cutters is such a fun project because you can end up with a cookie in any shape that you like.
Yes, it certainly helps those that are experiencing lockdown. I think baking has taken off in a big way, so it certainly plays into that space. So.
Yes, absolutely. That's a fun one. So Kerry, is there anything else that we should know about what you're doing there in Australia? How people can reach out to you? What sort of projects they should send you? What else should we know?
Yeah, so what they should know is we will tackle anything. So there's no such thing as a part that's too small. So we'll print one small part that's going to cost 20 cents for a customer. We have no problems with printing tiny little batch runs of prints, and we will do large batch runs of large pieces. So our largest printer can print up to 600 millimeters long. So we can sinter large items as well, because it's a larger printer, or we can do batch runs in the kiln. So there's no such thing as too small or too large. We'll give a go to anything that people can dream of.
Wow, that sounds great. Tell me about the largest print that you have sintered so far.
Largest print I've sintered so far would probably be a cam cover for a motorbike in copper. So then pictures of that are on our website. So it's I don't even know, it's approximately 770 millimeters in diameter, about 7 centimeters. But yeah, it came out beautifully. It printed really nicely and sintered beautifully. And my showpiece.
Wow, great. We'll get some pictures of that and but get that put into the video as well. That sounds awesome.
That in my Death Trooper head in bronze is one that sits on my desk, and I like to play with.
Wow, great. So Kerry, I do have one more very important question for you before we wrap up today.
This is the one I've been dreading.
Why do kangaroos dread rainy days?
Why do kangaroos dread rainy days?
Because that means the kids have to play inside.
Very good.
Well, thank you for joining me, Kerry, and thank you everyone for listening in on the Virtual Foundries podcast. If you've got a cool, interesting project going on and you'd like to feature that in a podcast like this one, reach out to me at info@thevirtualfoundry.com and we will be in touch. Thank you very much.
Thank you.